My name is Yariel. I'm from Puerto Rico. I'm outgoing, athletic. I like aviation. First is a short-term school, which is simple for me. It has a great career going towards it, and I see myself in it. Future goals, I graduate, get my certifications, get out in that field and start working as soon as possible with them airplanes. The great characteristic that people have towards you, how they interact with you, how the instructors teach you. Everything is organized, not something that looks fake or scammed. This looks great and hoping for good stuff to it. My life path was to join the military, which I want to do that, or if not, do something with basketball, because I've been playing basketball since a little kid. But I had an accident, and my second plan was to work in this field, and grade school looks like it so far. Certainly that I made the correct one, because it all looks outcoming well, how it's going in classes, and everything's going well so far. Yes, I would. Anytime, any day, anyone, no matter who.